Assalamualaikum guys, some days before I received a message on Instagram to make some art for them. They are just starting a new online career and therefore they invited me to make art for their online exhibition. I said them yes. Then they said me about the topic. I was so excited, but when they told me it is bacteria. Yes, it is bacteria. So the first thing came into my mind, what I have to do, from where I should start my work on the topic bacteria. There was a huge confusion in my mind that should I work on watercolor or oil painting or using acrylic, so I decided to make some comics. Also we can say doodle drawing, as I think it is a better way to portray the topic. So guys, this is my first vlog of comic art. Guys, as you all know that comic art is very interesting art and it is difficult too. You can't work on it without any homework. This form of art is totally based on our ideas. Comic book artists tell story or convey certain message through their art. hope you enjoyed this video and you liked it. If you are new on my channel, so please do subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. You can see link in my description. Thanks for watching.